Dormont's been in business over 70 years and we're located outside of Pittsburgh in Export, PA. Dormont is a world-class manufacturer of the blue hose and other gas conveyance corrugated tubing.
We are a global player in the gas conveyance market. Within the last couple of years, we celebrated our 150 millionth gas hose.
We've changed really how people do things, especially in the food service side of the business.
Approximately 40 years ago, we invented the commercial gas hose with a company by the name of McDonald's. McDonald's knew the capabilities of Dormont and worked with us to come up with a product that allowed them to move their cooking equipment.
At that point in time, there were no flexible hose hookups. Once we got the McDonald's business moving, we went to Burger King, we went to KFC, we went to Wendy's. Because we were market share leaders, people would call and they wouldn't call in for a Dormont model number. They would call and say, hey, I need a blue hose.
We are ISO 9001-2015 certified. Some of our other certification boards are CSA, BSI. All those have standards that must be met. We work tirelessly to make sure that we are conforming to their regulations and that we meet those standards.
We do build it as if we're putting it into our own home. It's also continuous improvement. We're always striving to improve not only our processes, but our products as well.
When you purchase a Dormont product, you are getting a product that is reliable, dependable, one that exceeds the regulatory standards, which to me is the Dormont difference.
Customers know that when they get in a pinch, they can pick up the phone and have product the next day.
Being a USA manufacturer is a big deal. We have the talent right here, close to where we make it. So that makes it a lot simpler.
I can't tell you how many times that I'm talking to a customer on the phone and they'll say, well, where does your product ship from? Where is it made? And I can say, hey, it's made in the factory in the doors right behind where I'm sitting in Export, PA.
We are in the middle of our factory right now, and in this area we prepare and package around 30,000 gas connectors each and every day.
We're really working on smart and connected technology. It's the future of our company, really, is to work to implement that technology where we can into our new product development process.
Coming to work at Dormont is bigger than just getting a paycheck.
The culture and community is one that is of high tenure. You know, once you come to Dormont, it seems like you want to stay and work at Dormont.
My mom worked here for 10 years, and I've been working here for 12 years.
I love my job. These people here have seen my children grow up. My son is now working here also. This is a Dormont family, and our customers are part of our Dormont family. We don't separate that.
Being here at Dormont all these years, I've gotten to know our customers, and they feel like part of my family. We get a call from a customer, we actually recognize their voice.
You know, after 40 years, we're still in touch with a guy who called us and said, hey, I work for McDonald's, I'm in engineering. And now he's not only a customer, but he's a friend.
Everybody that competes with Dormont, they're still coming up to the level. We're the benchmark, we're the standard.
We make what we sell. We have the confidence knowing that we're using the best trained employees, the best equipment, high quality domestic materials. We leak test every single gas connector that we make to ensure that when it gets into the hands of our consumers, that they can have the high level of confidence that we have, that they pick the right product.
We love our customers.
We love our customers.
And thank you for your business.
We're proud to be an American manufacturer.
We're proud to be an American manufacturer.
Dormont's FlowPro MD with SnapFast Quick Disconnect is a smart and connected gas measurement tool that diagnoses and troubleshoots gas flow or pressure issues. Here's the Dormont difference. The 3-in-1 device does the work of a flow meter, manometer, and calculator. After connecting it to the SnapFast Quick Disconnect and blue hose, you can verify gas pressure, flow, and BTU output on gas appliances. The downloadable data files verify if equipment performance meets manufacturer specifications. The data can also be transmitted with Bluetooth to your smart device and viewed on the free app for Apple iOS and Android. The difference is Dormont. In this video, I want to direct your attention to the most important things to keep in mind when installing and using your Dormont Blue Hose and accessory products. I will highlight some of the key installation and operation tips. Please refer to the Blue Hose gas connector installation and operation manual for a complete and comprehensive guide of the information covered here. For an ideal Blue Hose install, keep these 5 things in mind. In order to reduce stress on the gas connector, keep the Blue Hose in a vertical downward U-bend configuration. Be certain to install the Blue Hose so that the end fittings are parallel, never perpendicular, to both the wall and the appliance. Keep the Blue Hose end fittings pointed vertically down and offset from each other, plus or minus 3 inches. Make sure the gas supply manifold and appliance inlet are both located 30 to 42 inches from the floor. And finally, this is important, do not kink, twist, or bend the Blue Hose and end fittings. To ensure longevity of your Blue Hose, be sure to install the restraining cable that comes in the Blue Hose kit. The purpose of the restraining cable is to prevent damage to the hose by limiting the movement of the gas appliance during operation, cleaning, and servicing. Prior to disconnecting the restraining cable, make sure that the gas supply and the Blue Hose are disconnected from the gas appliance. To ensure a safe and proper Blue Hose installation, be sure to follow these do's and don'ts. Do hire a licensed contractor to install your Dormont products. Always test for leaks. Use gas-approved pipe thread sealant or tape for mating tapered pipe threads. Do not do the following. Do not use the Blue Hose as an appliance ground. The gas appliance must be independently and properly grounded. Do not place any weight on the Blue Hose, whether it is connected or disconnected. Do not over or under tighten connections. Dormont Snap Fast provides a quick and safe way to disconnect your Blue Hose from the appliance or gas manifold. This installation shows the preferred location, which is at the appliance installation connection, due to ease of access by the kitchen operator to connect or disconnect the product during maintenance and cleaning operations. It's important to note when installing the SnapFast QD the direction of gas flow, as it must flow through the female coupler into the male nipple, as indicated by the arrows on the blue ring. The SnapFast should never be used as the primary gas shutoff. To be safe, always shut off the gas supply valve before disconnecting it. The Dormont Safety Quick is a combination shutoff valve and quick disconnect that must be installed on the gas supply manifold side. It is the ultimate level of safety in the food service kitchen because you cannot disconnect or connect the Blue Hose with the gas valve in the on position. You must turn the gas valve to the off position to disconnect and reconnect the Dormont Blue Hose. When your Blue Hose is disconnected, you can use the snap and go to suspend the hose off the floor and protect it from strong cleaning solutions or chemical substances. If contact with chemicals does occur, rinse the hose with water and dry thoroughly. The Swivel Max significantly increases range of motion for gas connectors and caster-mounted appliances. It's a 360-degree multi-plane rotational device that can be installed on the appliance side, the gas supply side, or both. With any less than ideal install where the gas supply manifold or appliance inlet are low to the floor, we strongly recommend using 1 or 2 Swivel Max swivels to prevent any sharp bends or kinks. The Dormont Safety Set allows your equipment to be positioned correctly under the fire suppression and ventilation systems in order to comply with National Fire Protection Codes 17A and 96. Remember, the Blue Hose and accessories are intended for single install and for use only at the original appliance and location. Thank you for demanding the Dormont Difference. The Safety Quick is a combination valve and quick disconnect. It represents the ultimate device in kitchen safety. Here's the Dormont Difference. The Safety Quick prevents hose disconnection while the gas is flowing. It will not allow the valve to be opened until the gas supply is reconnected to the Safety Quick. It is the safest way to disconnect the blue hose from the gas supply. What's more, it includes a thermal shutoff that stops gas flow when temperatures reach 250 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Maximize kitchen safety with Safety Quick and work worry-free. The Safety Set is a wheel positioning system designed to return caster-mounted kitchen equipment back to a specific location after cleaning or maintenance. Here's the Dormont Difference. The Dormont Safety Set allows your equipment to be positioned correctly under the fire suppression and ventilation systems. It satisfies National Fire Protection Codes 17A and 96 that are increasingly being enforced throughout the country. The Safety Set is certified to NSF ANSI Standard 169, made with flexible, injection-molded thermoplastic polyurethane, and it is resistant to oils and greases. Relax knowing this tough material can withstand up to 1,000 psi of crush pressure. The easy-to-install open floor design accommodates 3, 4, 5, and 6-inch casters and helps appliances to rest level on the floor to ensure even cooking. If non-cooking appliances are of interest, think of Safety Set as an option for wheels on warming carts, salad bars, and refrigerators. It's better with blue. The iconic Blue Hose Gas Connector Kit with Snap Fast Quick Disconnect is designed to optimize commercial kitchens and movable gas equipment with exceptional performance that enhances safety, efficiency, and convenience. Here's the Dormont Difference. SnapFast is the only one-handed, push-to-connect quick disconnect in the food service industry. Its unparalleled design makes moving and cleaning gas equipment effortless, quick, and safe. The SnapFast can be installed on the gas supply side or the appliance side, with the appliance side install being the most common because with a quick reach, it offers ease of access. For added safety, it includes a thermal shutoff design that automatically shuts off the gas when the internal temperatures exceed 350 degrees Fahrenheit. With the SnapFast Quick Disconnect, Blue Hose connections are a snap. For convenience and safety, utilize the Snap & Go, Dormont's Blue Hose holstering system designed to suspend the gas connector off of the floor when disconnected for routine maintenance or cleaning. Here's the Dormont Difference. When the quick disconnect end fitting is secured, this innovative design helps to minimize tripping hazards and limit hose contact with corrosive cleaning chemicals. Easy to install with thumb screw and wing nut, the Snap & Go works with both the nipple or sleeve ends of the SnapFast Quick Disconnect. You decide how to use, either at the appliance side or at the gas supply side. It's better with blue. The Swivel Max is a 360-degree multi-plane rotational device that significantly increases range of motion for gas connectors and caster-mounted appliances. This is especially important for equipment cleaning and maintenance. For maximum mobility, it can be installed on the appliance side, gas supply side, or both locations. Here's the Dormont Difference. When installing your gas hose and connectors, you always want to avoid sharp bends and kinks. The Swivel Max really excels in eliminating these in both traditional vertical U-shaped and non-standard low or high install situations. In kitchens where every inch counts, Swivel Max gives you more aisle space by allowing you to move appliances closer to the walls. Optimize mobility and productivity with Dormont Swivel Max.